Hello, we're with Antonio Calo, the Managing Director of IHT, a Spanish company that works with holograms for solar energy. Hello, Antonio.
Hello, Blanca, how are you?
Besides the design, what is special about this solar holographic device?
Okay, our solar holographic device, the most important is that hologram put here. Once we designed this, when the sun impinges into the hologram, we diffract the light below its critical angle in order to trap the light into the optical medium as a fiber optic, like TIR. So we guide the light into the sun. So we need no tracker, it's trackless. Besides that, we have the hologram acts as a filter because we designed the hologram only for the right wavelength, spectral wavelength for silicon for this one. And beside that, we have the back cover of aluminum who dissipates the temperature. All those features make our device, solar device, to produce more than 50% more annual production gain compared with a fixed solar flat panel.
So this is why it can be installed vertically.
Okay, that's the point. For example, we can install horizontally or vertically because we produce more than a fixed solar panel. So we have here, for example, installing here, we have a new solar street lighting concept. This means that mechanical stability is achieving, and we fulfill mechanical stability class 1 all over the world with very high strong wind. So we can install off-grid with a battery standalone in the middle of the desert, or we can install, for example, this with a solar kit that we have created with microinverter in order to feed energy into the net. So we generate energy into the city, not far from here, in the utilities and far from that.
So this is very flexible. Which are the applications for this product?
Okay, the applications are incredible because we designed the device with a lot of modularity. For example, you can install in any existing solar urban furniture. So you can, any urban furniture makes solar and produce energy into the city, which are the consumption points. Apart from that, the versatility makes us that, for example, we can fold this device and put into this tube and you carry, for example, to mountain or wherever. And beside that, the back part you can personalize. You can choose the color, texture, wherever in order to integrate in any application. And of course, it's an extrusion aluminum, so we design these incredible products. For example, this one is an autonomous kit. It's a solar charger. You see, it's a solar, you have a light, you can plug USB and charge your devices, electronic devices. And of course, this one, for example, is hybrid. We can put here water and heat the water in order to help for heating and produce electricity along with water. So our Soho device, it's the versatility and the modularity of our solar device makes us an incredible product for all the markets.
In which market specifically do you expect to commercialize this product?
Okay, right now it's an incredible success in a special market, for example, in the Gulf area, Arabia Saudi, and with the soiling problems, because we can install, for example, vertically, and the soiling problem is avoided. So the market that we are focused right now, for example, is a niche market like solar street lighting, or for example, this we can commercialize through Amazon or wherever, department store. And this, our idea is to socialize the solar PV. The idea right now, solar PV is a solar farm in the middle of nowhere that creates energy, and you need to transport energy to the cities. We want to socialize to the customer, and everyone knows about solar PV, not only the typical Chinese solar module that right now, okay, that's incredible people, but I think that here in Europe we can develop a new concept of solar PV. We've been working in solar PV for the last 20 years, and it's the same conventional PV module, the same module. This is a new concept, and we are totally sure that this is going to change the market.
Where does this idea come from?
Wow, this idea came from several years ago because we started with Holograms. Our company, it's an R&D company that we started almost 20 years ago. We started in the States. And 10 years ago, we moved to Spain because in 2007, Spain, it's supposed that it was the highest solar PV market. Right now, it's incredible. So there we developed the TIR hologram. So at the end of 2014 was the first time ever that TIR hologram had been industrialized. Had been industrialized by us. So in the beginning in 2015, we assembled the first prototype. And the first prototype, the result was astonishing. We tested in TÜV, in CEATEC, in many entities, and the performance was incredible. That's the reason because we thought, okay, we're going to industrialize this product because it's a very huge success. So we are from Spain. And Spain is, is the sun. Unfortunately, there is no market, but for example, here in Germany, we're going to have a real good market because here is the real market in Europe.
Thank you very much, Antonio Calo, Managing Director of IHT. Thank you for talking with PV Magazine.
Thanks to you, Blanca, very kind.